All right, so after you've made a print, you might notice little spots. Now, neatness is one of the categories where, remember that if you have one error, you get some points off. So looking at these two pictures, there's a little spot here, maybe there and here. So a way to, so let's say you cleaned your negatives and this is how it still looks, it's okay. If you have multiple spots everywhere and a lot of lint, you're better off cleaning your negative and then reprinting it. Does that make sense? But if you have a few errors, that's fine. So I have these spot toning pens. I only have one pack because they're kind of pricey, but 1 being the lightest value up to 10. Does that make sense? Being the darkest. So if I'm gonna start on this one, there's a little spot here, so we're just gonna camouflage this. So I'm gonna take one of my reject prints or even the proof sheet that you have and go to the back. We wanna test out our value first. So I might try 6 and try it out. What we don't wanna do, so we're just gonna camouflage, right? We do not wanna color it in like that. If you, sorry, can't see for here. Oh, sorry, can you see that? We don't want it like that, right? So what we're gonna do when we use the grain focuser, we see that there are a bunch of little spots. So we're going to spot tone. So these are called spot pens. And we want to, you'd rather be light than too dark. So I'm just going to see if that matches, and I'm just gonna do little dots here. And you might need to let it dry for a little bit, okay? So this is my 6, and then I'm gonna try this one. Okay, also let's be careful not to bend our pictures. See if this matches, that might. So here's this little spot, if you can see here. And that one actually camouflaged it really well. Did you see that one? Okay, so we'll go back to this one, and 6, I can still see it, so maybe I'll go to, what number, guys? 6 looks a little too light, then we'll go to 7, which is the next darker one, right? So I'll do a little dot here just to test. Sometimes you need it to dry a little bit before you go over. Can you see that? Okay. And we're just trying to camouflage it. So this might need to dry some more. But do you see how it's slowly camouflaging it better? Yeah? Okay. So that is how you're gonna spot tone, and the pens again are like right here.